One of the most underrated things out there is the way to personalize learning. And EdPuzzle is a great website I wanted to share with you today. Some of you might already be using it, but if you're not, I think sometimes the barrier is we're just not sure how to get started. So I just thought it'd be nice to go through just a quick content creation video so you can understand how we do it. And here I am in my EdPuzzle account. So just sign into your account, create an account. And it's as easy as adding content. You see this blue button over here? So we can add content, right? And then what do we want to do? Upload a video, create a new folder, any of these things. So what I'll take you through today is I've already created just a video so I can demo it for you, and I'm going to edit that, right? So here's a video that I made about a couple months ago on just some AP exam tips. And so it's a YouTube video. I uploaded it to YouTube, but you notice these little green question marks, and that is just me being able to kind of like see, where I wanted to insert a question. So when you play your video, you can start to skip ahead. You can do all that kind of stuff. And you'll notice right around here, a question is going to come up. Now, here's the great thing, right? As soon as we get to that question, the video stops. All right, my students cannot go on until they answer this question. And this is just related to this video. Obviously, you could do it however you wanted it to. On what day is the AP Calculus exam this year, right? And so let's say I wanted to change that question. All I have to do is click on this green question button. And here we go, edit. And now, I can change the choices. I can change the type of question, make it open-ended, right? So this is just a really neat thing. Let's say we're good, save it, and on we go. I can kind of skip forward a little bit. Okay, let's get to the next question, right? Video stops. Okay, open-ended question. What do you think I will provide for my students in the exam room? And so the answer to that I'd be looking for is erasers, pencils, things like that. Just stuff to make them comfortable. So the idea here is so that you can really get an idea of how to personalize this for your students. I've actually used this for students who are absent. Uploaded a video of a lesson I created and then paused it at certain instances because I wanted to see the kinds of questions that they needed help with. And so when we go to quizzes, it's just, we call it a quiz, but it's an idea of how you can assess where they're at. So you can get feedback from EdPuzzle. You'll get an idea of how many students got things right, wrong, what was the common wrong answer. So all this is great feedback you can use to drive a new lesson or even help that one individual student. So EdPuzzle, don't be afraid to look into it. Try it out. It's a really great way to create some dynamic content and really keep your students engaged.